Hey everybody, it's Nisha. As you know, we're sending out weekly newsletters, and in every newsletter we have a trivia question. And once you find out the trivia answer, you email it to me, and I put your name in the hat or cup as we have it. The more questions you answer, the more times your name goes in. So this is the first one for June that we're doing, and it is going to be for a $100 Walmart gift card. So it's very important that you guys are reading these, answering it, and getting your name put in the hat. So we're going to put all these in here. Shake it up. And we'll pull out a winner. And the winner of the $100 Walmart gift card is Analia. Congratulations, Analia. Make sure you guys are sending in your questions so that you can be in the next drawing for July. Have a great day.